Alright my friends, welcome back again where I am practicing how to draw a difficult angle face. If you watched my previous video, you know it pretty well. And today it's time to draw like a reference number 2 and a 3. Now, the first thing I love to do is start the timer, so because I want to do it in a limited period of time. And after that, now my first step. Now because it's time to draw, but I will not draw. What I will do is first I will do an observation. Now why observation? To simply get an idea like what I'm trying to draw. Now first thing is that I'm trying to draw a face which is like kind of like is on side profile, and I'm able to see the lower part, like the lower plane of the chin, lower plane of the nose. And if you look at the proportions, like the forehead area is small and other like proportions are like bit elongated, like for example the neck from eyebrow to like jaw. And then the most important stuff is the angle, because this is the like the main key that will help me to draw like this sort of like a face. See the angle of the eye, nose, lips, all they are like in the same direction. So this is like the key like points that helps me to draw. Now after like observing, now it's time to draw. Now what I will draw, simply things what I observe. And the first thing I draw is like the shapes of the face. Yeah, I will not like start with the eye. I will just like focus on the big shape of the like face. And yeah, that's it. And after completing the big shape of the face, then it's time to now focus on the smaller things like the eye, nose, lips. And while drawing and to draw like these smaller features, I will do the same thing. I will just use the big shapes to draw the also the nose, ears, lips, same. And yeah, that's my like a process, and that's how like I do a practice. Now then, I think I can do a little bit more of like adjustment, and I will do a liquify tool, because I think I missed something, and that's completely fine because we're just practicing. So and we have a very limited period of time, means we will do a tons of mistakes, and just to like to fix that mistake, I'm using a liquify tool here and there, and I'm flipping the canvas. And yeah, and I think that's how I done a practice. I think the reference number 1 is completed. Now I think it's time to now move on to the like reference number 3. And same, the first I will start the timer of like a 5 minutes, so I can keep myself in a time limitation. Yeah. So I will not like focus on like smaller things. Just my goal will be to like focus on a big stuff, the big shapes. And as usual, first I will do an observation, and this reference is tricky, man, tricky. Look at, man, it's on like his, like you can see the forehead are bit like, yeah, if compared to the like second reference, the forehead was smaller, the proportion, the body hair proportions are very different, because the forehead proportions are much bigger compared to the like other like areas. So see, and even the like the eyes, the mane is looking a little bit up, and her lips are like pronounced. And I think the most difficult part will be to like draw the nose, and also I'm keeping the mind of the angles. And yep, now simply I've done observation. Now again it's time to like draw, and simply I will first draw the overall shape of the face. I'm not focusing on smaller stuff, just big stuff. And after that, then I will draw the like a smaller stuff like the eyes. And if you see, I'm like struggle like while drawing the nose, so I just lived and focused on eyes and lips. Then yeah, and I just tried a multiple times, but I was not able to draw the nose, and I just simply draw the big shape of the nose, like you can see. Yeah, and I drawn some wrinkles of the forehead, and I started in some refining and drawing. And yeah. And I think at the end I done some yep, liquefying again to fix some minor like mistakes, because I thought the face is a little bit elongated, or you can say yeah, elongate it. And I thought doing a liquefying was the best decision, and that's all. And after that also I stepped away for a little bit, like for just a 30 to 40 second, and make a note that I can do a more improve I can do more improvisation on like drawing the nose and a lips. And yeah, that's all. That's how like I practice like this sort of drawing like difficult angle face. And if you enjoyed, maybe you will enjoy like this video too. And if you have more like the stuff that you want to share, you can share on the comments. And keep drawing. Bye.